2 ingredients is all it took to make these apple pie cups. I used refrigerated cinnamon roll dough, pushed it into a muffin tin that was sprayed with nonstick cooking spray, kind of created a little well, grabbed a can of apple pie filling, and before I filled the well up with the pie filling, I did chop the apple slices up just a little bit, popped them into a 375-degree oven. My oven took 17 minutes to bake these. Then I let them set in the muffin tin for 5 minutes, then removed them and put them on this cooling rack, let them cool a little bit longer. Probably could have went a little bit longer, but I needed to get the images done for the blog. So I drizzled some of the cream cheese frosting that came with the cinnamon rolls. Some of them I did add the remaining of the can of apple pie filling that I purposely saved to be able to do this, just to kind of give the image a little bit more for on the blog. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been up to today.